In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images in Wix. If your photos look soft or pixelated on your site, don't worry, this is usually caused by images being stretched beyond their true size or by heavy files that the browser struggles to render crisply. We'll focus on simple fixes for individual images in the Wix editor, checking the built-in upscale option, cropping smaller, and if needed, resizing and re-uploading an optimized file. Start by selecting the image in your Wix editor and clicking Edit Image. In the Crop and Extend area, look for an option called Upscale Image. If you see it, turn it on and apply the change. Upscaling asks Wix to intelligently add detail so the image looks sharper at its current display size. If the option doesn't appear, that usually means the image is already at or near its maximum usable quality for the size you're showing. Either way, avoid stretching the image frame larger afterward because that can undo the benefit. When you're done, preview the page on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean and not over-sharpened. If the image still appears soft, consider cropping it smaller. Cropping reduces how many pixels need to be displayed, which can instantly make the subject look crisper. Focus the crop on what matters most in the photo and keep the same aspect ratio you're using on the page, so the layout doesn't shift unexpectedly. After cropping, check again for the upscale image option. Sometimes it appears for the new cropped size and can provide a nice final polish. Apply the edit and preview to confirm the improvement. A quick tip, don't crop and then immediately enlarge the image frame on the page. That simply reintroduces blur. When necessary, the most reliable fix is to resize and re-upload an optimized version of the image. Use your preferred image tool to export the photo at the size you actually display on your site, or just slightly larger to keep it crisp on high-density screens. Compress the file to reduce weight while keeping visual detail intact. For photos, a high-quality JPG usually works well. For logos or graphics with transparency, PNG is often better. In Wix, select the existing image, choose Change Image, and upload your optimized file to replace it. Always start from your original, high-resolution source when creating new exports. Recompressing a previously compressed file can introduce artifacts. That's it. Check upscale, crop smaller when helpful, and optimize before you re-upload. Publish your changes, give your browser a quick refresh if caching delays the update, and enjoy sharper images across your site.